Before you even think about buying another phone this year, you need to see this. Today we are breaking down everything you need to know about the Nothing Phone 4a. Let's dive in.
First up, the design. Nothing continues its iconic transparent aesthetic. We're looking at a sleek glass back protected by Gorilla Glass 7i that showcases the internal components, all held together by a plastic frame. It feels premium and unique in hand, a major step up from previous A-series phones.
Of course, it wouldn't be a Nothing phone without the Glyph interface. For the 4a, it's been redesigned into a Glyph bar featuring 9 individually controllable mini LED zones and a dedicated recording light. As for practicalities, it holds an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, which is excellent peace of mind. For ports, we have a USB Type-C 2.0 on the bottom, flanked by one of the stereo speakers and the Nano SIM tray. It retains the signature flat edges for a secure grip.
Moving around to the front, we are greeted by a stunning display. This is a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel. It's also incredibly fluid, supporting a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It supports HDR10+ and can reach a massive 1600 nits of brightness in high brightness mode, with a peak brightness that goes even higher. Nothing is also included 2160 Hz PWM dimming to reduce eye strain. This screen is, simply put, a joy to look at.
But how does it perform? Powering the Nothing Phone 2a is the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor. Built on an efficient 4nm process, this chipset is a beast in the mid-range segment. It handles everything from daily multitasking to graphic-intensive gaming with ease.
Combined with the clean, bloatware-free Nothing OS 4.1, based on Android 16, the phone feels snappy and responsive. And to ensure longevity, Nothing is promising 3 years of major Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security patches. This phone is built to last.
Now for the cameras. Nothing isn't playing around. The Phone 4a features a versatile triple camera setup. The Star is a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and a wide f.19 aperture, delivering incredible detail in all lighting conditions. Accompanying it is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor for capturing those expansive landscapes, and the huge addition, a 50-megapixel periscope-style telephoto lens, offering 3.5x optical zoom with OIS and up to 70x digital zoom. This is an absolute game-changer for a mid-range phone.
On the front, you get a crisp 32-megapixel selfie camera housed in a subtle punch hole cutout. Powering everything is a massive 5400 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use, and even up to 2 days for lighter users. When it's time to recharge, 50-watt fast charging takes you from 1 to 50% in just 22 minutes, with a full charge in about an hour. Plus, you also get 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging to power up your earbuds on the go.
Finally, let's talk price. Nothing is launching the Phone 2.a with 2 RAM and storage configurations. The base model, featuring 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, will start at £349, €349, or approximately $349 globally.
So there you have it, the full specs of the Nothing Phone 4a. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a standard setter for what a mid-range phone can be. But what do you think? Does the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 and that periscope camera make this your next phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews. Thank you for watching.